One of the great things about this tool as well is that you can reuse blocks. Let's say we wanted to be able to reuse this block styling in a lot of different places. Well, I just click on it, click on the three dots and say, Add to reusable blocks. You'll also note that I can duplicate it, but I'm going to add it to reusable blocks and I'm going to give it a name. More movie information. And click Save. So now I have a reusable block that I can place anywhere I want. Let's go over to that other movie that we had, another movie night in the park, and it's Forrest Gump. So I'm going to click plus, and I'm going to come down to reusable. This is a new item because we just saved one. And I'm going to select more movie information. There it is. And now all I have to do is edit it. Change the URL, save it, and we're good to go. It's that simple to create a library of reusable blocks across all of your WordPress site.